Hello guys, and welcome to the part 4 of creating a static website from scratch as the final project of the XHTML and CSS chapter. So I'm sorry I ran out of time in the last video, so let's proceed and style these links. So just right after wrapper main image, let's type header, ID header, and ID nav. Okay, if you go to your index.html, you'll see that header is the main div, and then you have the nav inside the header. So that's why we type header and then nav. Okay, so now we can give it properties, and for now the only property I want to give the nav is font. Let's give it a font size. Let's give it a 15 pixel. Okay, now I'm sorry, let's give it a 16. Yeah, that's better. Now after header nav, I want you guys to go up in here in the div header, and the selector header, and in here I want you guys to type text align center. Okay, so we can center the navigational bar or the navigational links. Down here we're gonna type header nav ULLI. Okay, and now we're gonna style the listed links in the ordered list. The first property I want to give, the first thing I'm going to style is take the dots out. So to do that, let's type list style type is none. Okay, so we now don't have any dots here anymore. The next thing I want to do, I want to type is display inline, and you'll see that now we have the links in horizontal. Okay, the next thing is let's give a padding, and padding has 4 values. Has the top, which is going to be 3 pixels. It has right, padding from the right, 8 pixels, padding from the bottom, 3 pixels, and padding from the left. Okay, so it's a clockwise navigation or properties that you want to give to the padding. So now I'm going to give it a background color of 99F99. Yes, I think that's it, but it's not working, I think. Let me check. Yeah, well, let's give it a green here. Okay, and after that, after the background, let's type font size, and here we can type 21 pixels. And so here in the header nav, instead of font size, what I want to do is to let's type margin top, and let's type 30 pixels, a little bit more. Let's say 90 pixels. Sorry, 90. No, 80. Yes, 80 pixels. Now I want you guys to grab all this and copy, but before you paste it anywhere, let's go to the style.css and let's delete everything that is below the body. Okay, delete all that, and let's paste now everything we typed in the live CSS editor. Okay, so now we are up to date in the style.css. Everything is okay. In the body, I want to change a few things. This is not correct. Okay, this should be margin top. Okay, but we don't need all these margins. What I'm going to do is type padding 0 pixels and margin. Let's leave margin here as auto, and this will work as well. Okay, so if you refresh this, okay, everything is okay. Let's go down here and let's continue with some more properties. But before that, in here in header nav, let's type let's push the nav a little bit more to the left side. Okay, so I'm gonna push the nav here a little bit more to the left. So you can change your live CSS editor, as you can see in here in these buttons, to the left or to the right. I'm gonna push it to the left so you can see this is going to be more close to the right side. I'm gonna push it a little bit more. So we go to the header nav, and below margin top 80 pixels we type margin left, and here you can type 250 pixels, and there it is. Let's push it a little bit more, 300. Okay, that's it. So we now have the 3 links. We have to style them a little bit more yet. So now what I want to do is let's create an effect, so whenever I hover the links, they will change color. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is put it's grab the header nav A, which are the links. Okay, and here what I'm gonna do is take these lines out below the names of the links, and to do that we type text decoration, and this will only work for the A tags, so it's an anchor tag, which means a link. So here we type text decoration none, and you'll see that something is wrong. Let me check. Oh, I miss here. Okay, so now you see that the lines are out. We only have the names, and the next thing I'm going to do is grab the nav again A and the property or the link state hover. Okay, and in here you're going to type the color you want to give the A or the links. When you hover the links, the color that you want to give to them. So I'm gonna give it a color of let's say yellow. Sorry, forgot here again, nav. Okay, so you'll see that now whenever we put the mouse or the cursor over the links, they turn yellow. Okay, so we can also type here header and put nav A, and the other is visited, the other type of state of a link, which means when the link has already been visited, change to the color that I'm going to put in here, and I'm going to choose it. I'm going to choose yellow as well. Let me check now. Okay. Now down here, let's type another nav a, and let's type active. So active basically is whenever you push the button, or sorry, whenever you push the link, it changes color. So I can use, for example, red, and you'll see that whenever I click, okay, it's not working. Let me go back down here. Red a active, color red. Okay, so you see that, well, you see that whenever I take the cursor out, I'm pushing it, it's red. So, but I don't need that because I don't want that effect to be in the page. I want just to be yellow as well. And instead of yellow, let's type white, and white. Okay, awesome. Now the next thing I'm going to do is change the color as well of the background color here of the listed links, and I'm gonna put a nice green light color, FF99, and there it is. Okay, it's pretty awesome. The letters, I'm gonna change it to color black, and well, it's not working because the color of the letters has to be in the copy here. Okay, let's take these out. Color black has to be in the A, okay, on the anchors, on the links here. Okay, so now you see it's black, and as soon as we mouse over it, it turns white. Okay. Now let me check another thing. Okay, so everything is working now perfectly. Now what you can do is to change the type of font that is used in here, and I'm going to use a font that I usually use for cool websites or web pages. Font family Pristina. Okay, there it is. So this is a font that you need to install this font in order to use it. To install the font, you can go to try to put the font family Pristina and see if it works. If it doesn't work, it's because you don't have the font installed on Windows. So you have to type font Pristina download, and click in here the first link, and you can download it here, download font, and you'll have a file, or let me just check. Yeah, you have an executable file to download and install the font. Okay, so install the font, use Pristina if you want to. It's a cool, as you see, cool type of family, font family. And that's basically it. I think I'm gonna leave it for now, and we'll continue with more in the next video. Okay guys, see you later. Bye.